Hello Sparkitans! Welcome back to Spark. Today is super exciting day because we are going to trace the final letters of the alphabet U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Are you ready to finish this amazing tracing journey? Grab your pencil and book. Let's start with U. This is the letter U. Let's trace it together. Start at the top, go down, curve at the bottom and come back up. Imagine you are tracing a rainbow under the letter U. Let's trace it together again. Now you try it. Take your pencil and book and trace the letter U on it. Now let's see three words that start with U. Umbrella, uniform, unicorn. Bye bye U. Now it's time for V. This is the letter V. Let's trace it together. Start at the top, draw a right slanting line. Now draw left slanting line like this. It's V. Let's trace it again together. It's very easy, right? Take your pencil and book and trace the letter V on it. Let's see three words that start with V. Vase, violin, van. Great job with V. Now let's move to W. This is the letter W. Let's trace it together. Start at the top. First draw a straight line. And again draw another straight line like this. Now draw small left slanting line like this. And again draw right slanting line like this. It's W. Let's trace it together again. Now you try it. Take your pencil and book and trace the letter W on it. If you make a mistake, that's okay. Just try again. Trace until you make it correct and then show to your parents. Now let's see three words that start with W. Watch, watermelon, whale. Bye bye W. Now it's time for X. This is the letter X. Let's trace it together. Start at the top left, draw a right slanting line down. Then cross it with another left slanting line. It's X. Let's practice together again. Trace it slowly. Take your pencil and book and trace the letter X on it. We will see three words that start with X. Xylophone, X-ray, Xmas tree. Great job with X. Now let's move to Y. This is the letter Y. Let's trace it together. To trace Y, first draw a left slanting line. Now draw a small right slanting line like this. It's Y. Let's trace it together again. Take your pencil and book and trace the letter Y on it. Let's see three words that start with Y. Yarn, yo-yo, yak. Bye bye Y. Let's welcome our last alphabet, Z. This is the letter Z. Let's trace it together. Simply draw a sleeping line and draw another sleeping line like this. Now start at the top right. Draw a left slanting line down. It's Z. Let's trace it again. Now you try it. Take your pencil and book and trace the letter Z on it. Wow, you are doing great at alphabet tracing. Let's see three words that start with Z. Zebra, zip, zoo. Hooray! You have now traced all the letters from A to Z. You are officially an alphabet tracing champion. Don't forget to practice tracing every day to get even better. Click the subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss fun learning videos. See you soon. Bye bye.